morning. The American financial markets, I believe, are the envy of the world, but they're still imperfect. I would have liked to seen this committee have a meaningful discussion about capital requirements and the T+2 clearing rules that may have contributed to some of Robinhood's customers not being able to purchase stock, including GameStop, for a period of time. But because the majority didn't include the SEC, the Depository Trust Clearing Corporation, or the National Securities Clearing Corporation to testify, we're left with what we have. That's because I believe the majority is attempting to use this hearing to drive a narrative about the U.S. capital markets being rigged. But I do have several questions. Mr. Tanev, you decided to stop allowing your users to buy GameStop and other stocks as a result of capital requirements on Robinhood securities. Is that correct?
That's correct, yes. Deposit requirements with our clearing houses.
And you know, those got resolved, but for a period of time, some of your users could only sell and not buy, and that could have contributed to the stock actually going, you know, not going up as fast because some of your users were prohibited from buying. Do you think that is possible that could have happened?
I shouldn't speculate on what could have happened if
there's more sellers than buyers. Does the stock price go down or up?
Well, to be clear, Robinhood, Congressman, is a minority of trading activity in these securities.
I understand, but if your buyers can only sell and not buy, then it clearly keeps you from putting upward pressure on the stock price. Is that correct?
On Thursday, customers on our platform could only sell, so there was no ability to buy. That's correct.
Great. So, you know, I know, and you said earlier, by the way, I know some people have attacked your arbitration agreements, but I want you to be clear. If your users were harmed as a result of these actions, they can recover through arbitration. Is that correct? Yes or no?
Yes, that's correct. And our arbitration is FINRA supervised and overseen. And we do believe arbitration gives customers a fair and speedier resolution to their claims.
Thank you. Does your user agreement and your arbitration allow for group arbitration or only individual arbitration?
Let me get back to you on that.
If a group was treated similarly and similarly affected or lost upside or lost money, can they do it as a group, or is it only individual in your arbitration agreement?
Well, Congressman, I'm sure you're familiar of the number of class action lawsuits filed against Robinhood.
And I'm not asking about a class action lawsuit. I'm asking, in your arbitration system, can a group of people come together, or as an individual? And this is not a trick question. I'm not a fan of trial lawyers. I'm just trying to understand.
Yeah, I appreciate the question, Congressman. I think the best thing I can do is get back to you after making sure that we get you the right answer.
Thank you. That'd be helpful. Mr. Plotkin, are you a frequent short seller, yes or no?
We run a long short portfolio. The majority of our investments are long investments, but we also have short investments to hedge out market risk.
Thank you, Mr. Plotkin. Has Melvin Capital ever engaged in short selling of the stock Tesla?
We have been short Tesla in the past. That's correct.
Mr. Plotkin, also, this is a longer question. Did you see the tweet from Tesla CEO Elon Musk about GameStop stock?
I did see that after market hours on a Tuesday.
Do you believe that Mr. Musk's tweet had any significant effect of driving the rise in GameStop stock?
I don't want to speculate on what the actions of his tweet were. The stock did rise after hours. Let me ask you this.
Then, do you believe that tweet was targeting you because you had shorted Tesla stock in the past?
We had a very small short position years ago in Tesla. That would be pure speculation as to his motives of putting that tweet out.
Okay. Thank you.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.